to do something more often and feel better because it was loosening up my shoulders. I'm so glad that there's products like Dr. Ho's massager out there that allow you the freedom to get pain relief whenever you need it.
This is a Class 2 medical device that you're looking at, cleared by the FDA. And what makes this so different is we're gonna give you not only just a tremendous configuration in terms of you're gonna get the Pain Therapy System Pro unit, you're gonna get 6 of your small massage pads, you're gonna get 4 of your extra large massage pads, your wires, your adapter, your carry case, pad placement chart as well, even an instructional DVD at our sale price today of $99.95 with 5 flex payments. But I'm gonna tell you what sets this system apart from everything else in the marketplace, and that's the fact that you're able to use it in 2 different areas at the same time. 2 areas. I could be working on my shoulder and my knee all at the same time. 2 different sets of controls. Dr. Michael Ho is a licensed chiropractor as well as an acupuncturist. Not only that, he treats patients with this exact unit at his office, but you now can get this home and do your own treatments whenever you want, however long you need it. Dr. Ho joining me right now. This is the configuration you put together, which is supersized for us.
Huge.
It is absolutely huge, but what's really huge is the way that you're gonna be able to temporarily get rid of some pain, not just one area, but 2 areas, same time.
Basically, you can treat your whole body. This is a full body pain relief system. Hi everybody, I'm really happy to be here today because today we're gonna help many of you live a much better life with a lot less pain. And by the way, thank you so much for all your great reviews on hsn.com. It really makes me feel good to know that my device is helping you. You know, if you suffer neck pain, back pain, tension in your shoulder, you have pain in your arms, pain in your legs, if you get muscle pain in your back or your legs from working hard, you know, doing household chores, sitting all day, or from aging, you need to give my pain therapy system a try. You know, I've been helping and treating pain patients for over 32 years. I realize that most people with pain, they don't get the treatment they need. They don't have enough money, they don't have time, or access to the right doctor, okay, or the insurance has run out. And that's why I developed this, so that my patients with pain and everyone out there who suffer needlessly with pain can get the most affordable and the most effective treatment right at home. With this at home, you can relieve your pain anytime you want, and it's drug-free. It will give your life back. You know, pain affects us in every way. It affects how you work, how you play, and how you sleep. It can rob your energy and make you very moody, so affect everybody in your family. Now, this is a Class 2 medical device that's cleared by FDA. It is a TENS and an EMS device, okay? It's got technology for pain relief that no other device in the world has, called AMP, which I'm going to explain to you later. I don't care what you try. I will give you my promise that my device will give you better relief than anything else you have ever tried. And by the way, if you've been using this, please take a moment and give me a call, because your testimonial can help many other people who are suffering needlessly with their pain.
And I love that you just said that, because we had a great testimonial, I think, yesterday.
Yes.
Where someone called and said that they had tried one.
Yes.
And called up and ordered 7 more units.
That's right.
Because it was so effective in helping them get some relief. You know, people who suffer from chronic pain, it is a difficult thing to deal with, to control. If you're looking for a great way to do it, at least get this home and try it. You have 30 days.
That's right.
Risk-free, okay, completely risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, you have 30 days in which to return it. But this is our super-sized kit you're getting today. And Dr. Ho, show us how this works.
Now, over 10 million people around the world are already living much better with a lot less pain. And they love this because it's so easy to use. If you're a senior, if you're a single person living at home, you can do this by yourself. Look, those are self-adhesive body pads. So wherever you're pain, you just put the little pads on. You don't even have to know anything.
And you use those over and over, right?
We use them at least 50 times. Now, you just turn it on, and then you can select the mode. There's 7 modes of therapy you can select from. I like mode B myself, so I'll go to mode B. And you just press this little button here to increase the intensity, and go slow, one little step at a time. Woo-hoo-hoo. At a certain level, you'll feel this incredible sensation, okay? It feels like somebody's on the inside of your muscle, massaging your muscle. Now, what this device does, it sends very gentle impulses to stimulate the nerve and muscle, okay? It's very powerful stimulation, but yet it's not painful, okay? It just feels like somebody's contracting and relaxing your muscle, and it feels really, really good. And after about 10 minutes, you start to feel less pain. After 20 or 30 minutes, you can actually move with a lot less pain, okay? This system works. This is clinically tested to reduce your muscle tension, improve your circulation, and relieve your pain fast. Now, what's nice about this model is, this is a pro system. We can actually have 2 ports, okay, to treat different areas. Let me show you something. I can put this, say, on my shoulder. How many have tension in your upper shoulder from stress, from driving, from sitting in front of your computer, you know, from sleeping the wrong way? How many of you woke up this morning or had trouble sleeping last night because of a knot in your shoulder, okay? Well, you put the little pads there, so easy, okay? How about if you suffer low back pain? How many of you did not sleep very well last night? Or you woke up this morning with severe back pain, you're like, oh, I wish, you know, I can move better so I can enjoy my day. Well, this is all you have to do. If you have Dr. Ho with you, you just put the big pads there, plug the other port in, and now I got 2 ports. 1 port, I can control my shoulder pain. That feels perfect. Now, the other set, I can control. There you go, ooh, from the low back, right away. Okay, let me describe to you. It's hard to tell what's going on. Let me turn down so I can talk better. It feels like something's on the inside, massaging those muscles, contracting, releasing, and muscles start to relax. It takes all the pressure off the disc, or the pressure of the joint, and right away, I mean, the moment you turn on, you can feel it working. After about 20 or 30 minutes, your back's gonna feel so loose because this works from the inside out, okay? Now, this is something you must try, okay? I don't care what treatment you're doing. If you are going for different therapy, etc., continue. But use this in conjunction with whatever treatment you're doing. But if you're using something and you're not happy with yourself, try this. Because I've seen this work for cases that no other device or therapy have helped. So you owe it to yourself to give this a try. Now, you have no risk. I promise you, this will give you the relief you need, or you can return it. Now, let me show you this fantastic deal you get here on HSN, okay? Now, this is really, in my mind, the best bargain for pain relief in the world. You're gonna get the Pain Therapy Pro. It's got 2 ports, separate sets of control, 7 modes of therapy. It comes fully charged out of the box. It's rechargeable. You don't need to buy anything. Come ready to use, okay? Now, you love this part, a sleep timer. How many of you cannot sleep because of pain? Well, you set the timer 30 or 40 minutes. You can relax, relieve your pain, and go to sleep. The device will shut off after you go to sleep, okay? So, you got 4 of those small pads for treating neck pain. Small areas like your shoulder, elbow, wrist. Fine. You're gonna get extra replacement small pads here, okay? Again, each one's reusable 50 times. So you do the math, you're getting a lot of treatment. Now, what you're gonna love is the big pads here. The big pads are good for treating low back pain, hip pain, knee pain, muscle pain, your low back and your leg from working, standing all day long. Anybody who plays sports, exercise, you're gonna love those. Help your muscle, performance, enhance and facilitate muscle performance and healthy muscle. You're gonna get instructional DVD and a PAP patient chart. It's the same instruction that I give to my own patient. Now, if you ever have any questions, we have a team of experts who can help you all day long if you need. We're there for you. You can get travel case because this is portable. You can use this at home, at work, and especially when you travel. So bring this with you. Now, normally, this is what you get. If you go to our website, we charge $220 for just that alone, okay? And we sold millions of units. But on HSN only, exclusive right here, we're gonna give you all this additional pads over here in the black box, okay? You're gonna get another pair of the big pads, okay? More of the small pads. If you do the math, each pad is reusable 50 times, you're gonna get about 1,000 treatments for the cost of 1 visit. 1,000 treatments for 1 visit to my clinic. And not only that, when you can get relief on demand, it changes your life. Not only that, ladies, listen to this. If you suffer with foot and leg pain, look at this. You can plug this foot therapy pads, okay, into this device and give yourself relief for your foot and leg pain, okay? If you have circulation problem, muscle cramps, foot pain at the bottom of your feet, if you travel on a plane like I do long trips all the time, I use this on a plane to keep the circulation going. It's one of this alone. After you use it one time, you say, this is worth every penny. Read the reviews on hsn.com, you'll see how this has changed so many people's life and how so many people are buying this as a gift for their friends, for their husband, their wife, because this enables someone to work better, to play better, and to get a good night's sleep.
I don't think I've ever seen anything that works on the feet with this type of therapy before. This is all inclusive, guys, for less than $100. This is the final show of the visit that you're seeing right now. And the biggest reason is because we only have about 1,400 of these now remaining. So we're in final quantities on it. Get it home and try it. I want you to hear from Robert, because Robert did exactly that. Hear what he has to say about it.
Pain was located primarily in my rotator cuff, which led to muscle tension across my back and up into my neck. Would affect me in my workaday, my ability to relax, and more importantly, my ability to sleep through the night. Since I started using Dr. Ho, I'm finding myself able to get through the workday, much, much better range of motion, no pain, and most importantly, a great night's sleep. What I love about Dr. Ho is the variety of the treatment that is going through. You get the power, you get the intensity in a very small, easy to use unit.
So easy to use, so compact, and yet at the same time, this is the Pro model that you're looking at. 2 areas, 1 time, all being done and addressed at the same time. But this isn't just one of those little things. It's like, well, oh gosh, that feels good. This is a Class 2 medical device cleared by the FDA, and we're going to give you the super-sized version of this. But again, we are in final quantities on this. This is the final show of the visit. Get it home and experience it, because Dr. Ho, there really truly is nothing else like it, unless, of course, you want to go to a chiropractor's office and have to pay that money for 1 session.
You can't go all the time. You know, I've been in practice for over 32 years. My patient always say, Doctor, I feel great when I come to you, but what do I do at night? What do I do on weekend? What do I do when you want to go on vacation, or if I want to go on vacation? Well, in the past, I say, sorry, nothing I can do. And a lot of people say, I don't have enough money. My insurance run out. What do I do? I say, sorry, you got to pay. But now, you can get my system and use it, look at, right at home, while watching your favorite TV show, or when you're ready to relax at night before you go to bed. You know, this is my lifesaver. I love to play basketball, but I'll be turning 60 in a few months. I use this every day before I play to warm up my muscle, and after after I play, because those young kids, they kill your knee, because there's a lot of twist and turn. So I use this to keep myself going. My mom and dad use it. I give this to my mom and dad, and my mom used to complain that my dad was very grumpy because he was having a lot of foot and leg pain. He cannot sleep, but now he's a happy man because he can go for his walk, he can sleep through the night. Listen. If you got knee pain from different joint issues, from working, from playing sports, you have trouble going downstairs, give this a try. If you have foot and leg pain, use this, okay? This is great for pain across the arch, pain in the heel, pain in the toe, around the ankle, and you feel the muscle pumping away, and that acts like a second heart. It just improves your circulation. Now, I want to talk about something very serious. Over the past 32 years, we have helped so many people with chronic back pain, hip pain, and people who get pain in the back of their legs. Now, my friend Henry here, he suffered with just those kind of problems for many years. And before he used Dr. Ho, he tells me that he cannot drive long trip. He cannot sleep through the night. He cannot exercise. And most important, very sadly, he cannot play with his grandchildren. He's got 10 of them, okay? So everybody was really unhappy.
Blessed man.
But after using my system, Henry tells me now he can exercise all he wants, he can take that long road trip, and most importantly, he's a good grandfather. The kids love him because when he go visit them, they're wrestling with him, doing all kinds of stuff. They're mostly boys, right? And most important, his wife said he's not so grumpy because he's getting his sleep now. Henry, can you do me a favor? Stand up and show us where you have your pads for your back pain and hip pain, okay? Now, a lot of you suffer chronic back pain. You go to work with back pain, okay? You wake up with back pain. You cannot sleep with back pain. You can actually use this device at work. In fact, I visited many factories around the world, and a lot of people wear this on the job. Why? Because pain comes at the worst time. You could be traveling, you could be working, and it'll come. Now, with those big pads on your low back, it'll relax those back muscles and just take all the pressure off the disc, off the muscles, off the joints. It just makes your back feel so good. Now, if you have pain in the hip area, right here in the buttock area, and the back of your leg, if you don't mind, Henry, just lift your pants up. Put the pads right here, right in the buttock area, right over your sciatic nerve, okay? This is great for hip pain, and put the other pad on the back of your leg, wherever your pain is. This is gonna, now with this system, because we have 2 ports, we can relieve the back pain, hip pain, and the leg pain all at the same time. So you're treating 2 areas at half the time, or 2 people can actually share. This is a pro unit. Thank you, Henry. Now, this is not like I was saying. This is not just one of those things you order online or from the store. This is a Class 2 medical device that's cleared by FDA. In fact, it's cleared by European CE standard, Health Canada standard, Japan FDA, really high standard, China FDA, very high standard. This is a world-class medical device that is proven to work. It's clinically tested to reduce muscle tension, improve circulation, and relieve your pain fast. After 20 or 30 minutes, you'll feel a lot better, and that's my guarantee. If it works for you, you promise me, get another one for your parents, for your spouse, for your children, okay? Because everybody has pain and tension from doing different activity. If it doesn't work for you, send it back for refund, because I don't want to waste your time or your money. I'm here to help you to live a much better life with a lot less pain.
And you know, you never know when that pain is going to come.
That's right.
Yesterday, I was going to a party with a friend. Walked into his house, he said, I can't take the boat. He goes, my back, I woke up, my back's killing me.
Yes.
He needs this, you need this, you need to have this ready. You need to have this ready whenever it is. You may already be having some pain. This is that temporary relief. And you can use it as much as you want, whenever you want, in the comfort and privacy of your own home, without having to take a pill, to book an appointment, to pay any other money. This is it, one and done, you're finished. Our configuration is supersized. Have a listen to what Brian had to say after he tried it.
I laid down with Dr. Ho and I put it on in the back of my neck and shoulder, and the vibrations that were coming through were relieving the pain. It was a great feeling of soothing power coming through. It was actually like there was actual fingers massaging my neck and taking the tension out of it. It's easy, it's simple, it's straightforward. But the number one thing is that it offers relief, and that relief comes in a variety of sensations. This has given me a positive outlook in life. I feel stronger, and I feel like nothing can stop me now.
I love that this even deals with your feet, for
That's
heaven's
right.
sakes, right? Is that like one of our most painful parts? Here's what's happened though, okay? We have just over 1,000 now remaining until they are completely gone. This is the final show of the visit with Dr. Ho. So this is where you're getting your value. This is the best value in the marketplace, okay? We're gonna supersize all of those pads. I'll show you the value in a minute, but we're gonna show you again how this is gonna help you. 2 places all at one time.
That's right. Hey, listen.
FDA cleared.
This is my last airing, okay? Don't waste time. Get one today. Why? Because every day you lose the pain is one day you never get back. Life is very short. Get one for yourself, get one for your mom and dad, your spouse, anyone you know suffer pain. This is an incredible price. You think about it. You save a lot of time and money when you have your own system. I developed this system for my patient and for hardworking men and women out there. You know, most people, like Donna, a devoted mom, you know, a devoted wife, I should say. Sorry about that. I have to think about that. No, not just kidding. Okay, you know, she's working hard in her career. She spends quality time with her friends. She really don't have enough time to go for regular treatment. She lives on a tight budget. She can't go 3 times a week or whatever it takes to get herself feeling better. With this system at home, with my system at home, she can relieve her muscle tension in her neck, shoulder, and if you don't mind, Donna, just lift up on the lower back at the same time, okay? This will allow her to relieve pain from working, from stress, from sitting all day, all those little things without drugs. Very important. So don't worry about side effects. You can use it as often as you like, okay? This will bring more balance to your life. Now, if you're a senior, a lot of our senior friends out there, please listen to me. Because you have a sedentary lifestyle, because you need to do more for your body to keep going, to get the muscle performing, have more power, to relieve your aches and pain, so you can do your daily walks and do your household chores, okay? For those of you who sit in the car all the time, or sit in the office, or student, this is something that can really save and change your life, okay? Please, do yourself a favor, just give this a try. I'm not asking you to buy anything, but I am asking you, don't give up, give this a try, please.
Give this a try today, because we do have the best value in the entire marketplace. Because what you're seeing right here, this is typically what Dr. Ho would provide for you. But that's about, what do you charge typically, Dr. Ho?
$100 per visit.
No, when you look at the configuration right here.
Normally,
right here,
we charge $220 without all the extra pads.
and we're gonna do it for less than $100 and include all these other pads and your foot pads as well. Everything today, guys, for $99.95. 5 flex payments, you get this home for less than $20. You have 30 days in which to try it. I have just over a minute. Dr. Ho, show us another way to use it.
This is the most important part of the show. If you have trouble sleeping, please use the pads on your body, wherever you're pain. Don't worry, there's an auto sleep timer. Instead of 30 or 40 minutes, the device will shut itself off. You just relax, relieve your pain, and go to bed. Do yourself a favor, just give this a try. Believe me, if this doesn't work, I will not ask you to try this. I've seen over 10 million people around the world